Good morning. This is Bill from Europa, Naples, and I'm here today with this low mileage and pristine example of what I consider to be one of the best looking compact SUVs ever built. This is a 2011 Mercedes-Benz GLK350. It's only got 22,000 miles. It's finished in beautiful Mars red outside with sort of a cream beige interior, and it is absolutely gorgeous. You know, when this thing came out, it was just instantly popular and successful based on looks alone. I'm not sure anybody cared about how it performed or felt inside. It's just such a good looking piece. Those 20-inch wheels, this one has the running boards, the beautiful brushed nickel roof rack up top with the panoramic roof in between. It's very chunky, very aggressive, very sturdy looking. Nice angular front end with very impressive headlight assemblies. You got fog lights down low, big wide slats in the grille with a Mercedes star riding there. The thing just looks fantastic. I love the mirrors even with the black trim around the red on top and the pickle fork light indicators. Everything just looks great in this thing. Look at those big 20-inch wheels. I mean, you gotta love Mercedes-Benz for that. And this one has nice Michelins on there as well. You can see this car is in mint condition, absolutely immaculate front to back, lovely to look at. Big chrome twice pipes there at the bottom, letting that big V6 breathe, of course, with the 350. You got a rear wiper, you got a rear spoiler, great little fender humps there in the front and the back. You know, just a nice looking piece. All the chrome trim. All right, back here in the hatch, you can see everything is perfect as one would expect from a car in this condition. It has a very nice trunk liner here, bed liner with storage and I don't know what's under there. Yeah, and look at that, all the organizational stuff that you can align and set up to keep your cargo intact. You got a first aid kit here, everything a wounded German might need. The original floor mats, nice stuff. You got my bag of crap there, sorry about that. The cargo cover still with the car, nice, proper. Everything lovely there in the trunk area. Have a look under the hood. And under the hood of this car is a little bit of what makes it magical. Here we're going to find Mercedes-Benz absolutely bulletproof 3.5 liter V6, putting out about 268 horsepower. Very, very smooth, very refined. That's going through a very nice shifting 7-speed automatic. And you can see again, super low mileage, clean floored example. Everything's just mint under here. If you wanted to make this into a show GLK, you could do it. Again, love this motor. Fantastic engine they have there, and has performed very, very well. Okay, in the back seat, here's an option as rare as hen's teeth. I'm supposed to avoid cliches like the plague. Anyway, you never see rear entertainment in a GLK. It's super rare. I mean, it's out there, but it's rare. So whoever's back there is going to be able to watch some, shady movies or kids movies or, whatever they want to see. Maybe that Tanya Harding video. Let's see, in between the seats, nice little place to put the CD drive, DVD drive, whatever the hell it is, with the audio and video inputs. That also is on the side of the screen, so you can adjust them as you see fit. These rear seats also fold down. Nice stuff. 60/40 design, so you can still have a passenger back there with smaller, bigger cargo. Very, very clever. Also, lovely fit and finish on the door panels. Beautiful burl wood accents. Also, the brushed nickel accent. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Mercedes did such a nice job designing this piece. All right, up front, we've got dual power seats, nice stuff. Again, the nice treatment on the door panels with the wood, your window and mirror switches, little stitched leather looking arm pad there for the rest. Very nice running boards. I like the little rubber inserts. Even this, shows how low mileage and nice it is. When these things are older and beat up and, with loads of miles on them, those things get pretty scuffed up looking. So somebody really looked after this one, didn't drive it too much. Fire it up. That 2 keys, rare. Get them like that. Okay, so initially it just beeps at you because that's what these Mercedes-Benz products do. They get very angry when you start them up, but then they calm right down. Over here you've got your automatic headlights, nice stuff, front and rear fog lights. You can see the condition of the stalks and the hieroglyphics, just lovely. Haven't been rubbed on or worn off. There's your cruise, your wipers, that sort of thing, rear wiper. Very, very attractive, you know, sort of a brushed aluminum looking instrument cluster with white and black face gauges with contrasting lighting, backlit, driver information display there in the center. You can get your different stuff, your, you know, CD changer status, your Bluetooth, your service messages, change some of the settings. There you see just 22,000 miles on this thing. Barely used. This thing's like new. I think the 160 mile an hour speedo might be a little ambitious, but, you know, looks impressive. Very nice leather steering wheel here, mint condition. You got all your different, I don't know what the hell you call it, the multifunction stuff on the wheel. Nice little Mercedes star pointing at you. You've got dominance on land, sea, and air, so God bless Mercedes for that one. Over here on the Mercedes COMAND unit, another rare option GLK. You don't often see them with nav. Nice, nice there. You've got your, let's see, different audio stuff, satellite radio, music register, media interface, auxiliary. If that can't keep you satisfied, then nothing will. Let's see, we got a Bluetooth telephone. I'm smart enough to disconnect it before starting the video so it doesn't disconnect me again. And then when you put it in reverse, you get your rear camera. Lovely. Down here is the, you know, sort of interface for the radio. You can go through the different buttons that way. You can slam a CD in there. You can direct tune or direct dial. I'll show you that. You go to the radio and you know you want to go to 94.5 and you don't feel like, you know, rolling through it. Just press the star, 945, and it goes right to it. So sort of direct access tuning. There's a little place for a memory card. Down here you've got dual side climate control, and dust. You know, your AC, your whatnot. You can take it on or off auto. Change your fan speed, rear defrost, front defrost. And you see, again, we're having these chilly mornings. Look at that, I've got it set to 76 or something. Absolutely bizarre for Naples. Very nice leather shift knob. Look at the condition of that. Again, you can tell nobody's been rubbing on it, grabbing on it, you know, beating around with it. Just really nice shape. You've got an economy and sport setting down there. If I press the sport, we go into S. It's shown up on the cluster. Keep it in economy, and that helps us get better mileage. You can also Tiptronic your way through the gears. If you do that, you see how I go drive 1, drive 2, drive 3. So if you want to do that manually, you're certainly welcome to. This is a joystick for that COMAND unit. Works nice. In here, this bizarre center console setup with the weird, I don't know what the hell that's supposed to be, but I guess you can put a pack of cigarettes in there if you're still a smoker. You know, whatever else you can stash in there. Some nice cup holders that are simple, not over-engineered crap that's going to break, and a nice little pouch to put stuff. Beautiful wood and chrome treatment in the dash. In the glove box there, you got your auxiliary 12-volt outlet and iPod connector, and a nice set of books there in the map pocket. Up top, you've got a self-dimming mirror. You can see it's got the panoramic sunroof, continuation of the nice Highline options. That's running the screen up to give yourself some shade. You can run it back, give yourself a nice view, the old Vista Cruisers. And then you can also run it back and have a nice big power sunroof, but we're going to leave it there for now. And away we go. So driving the GLK, you really have sort of this Goldilocks thing going. You're not too tall, you're not too short. You know, it doesn't feel too much like a truck, but it feels more substantial than a car. It's just the perfect ride. It goes down the road really, really smooth. Michelins are turning in very nice traction. Steering is light and precise. It goes where you point it. Minimal fuss. Nice torque from that big 6, even in the economy setting. And just everything lovely. You know, you adjust your power seats. You're, you know, got a great view all around. You know, no blind spots in this thing. Just fantastic visibility. And lovely to drive. So Where do you go wrong? 2011 Mercedes-Benz GLK350, 22,000 miles, navigation, rear entertainment, satellite radio, camera. Things are real sweetheart. If you have an interest, give us a call, 239-649-7300. Did I say that right? 239-649-7300. I get dogs pooping over there. Hope he cleans that up. On the web at mercedesexpert.com. Thanks so much for having a look. We really appreciate it. We'll see you with the next one. Take care.